Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. It's your boy. So today we are gonna paint these curved rash rims. We're gonna sand them down, fix them up, get them all nice, and paint them black, and see how they turn out. So I'm gonna bring you along for that process. I'm heading to Advanced right now. I'm gonna pick up some paint and primer and get everything I need.
Crew in the cut, hey, you want us red run when I tell a bit peace. Love is love. Love is love. Adios. Too much boost. Too much freaking boost. Alright guys, just a word of advice. Don't ever be that guy. Do not ever be that guy. Please. Please, for the love of God. For the love of God, do not be this guy right here. He's got a Camry. It's like a 1999 turboed. It says turboed. He's got a hood, a plastic hood scoop on the front. Let's see if we can get up beside it and get a better look. Oh, he knows we're filming him. See him doing that bobbing and weaving? We're gonna get a picture. There it is. Right there. Don't be that guy. Guys, so, secured the bag. I sprayed it on some of the stuff in Advanced. I like the way it looks, so I figured let's roll with it. Alright, so first things first, this stupid blow-off valve is leaking under like 4K. So I'm guessing that it is the vacuum line. It's not getting enough vacuum. So I gotta think of what to do for that. I don't really want to tap into the intake. I know they make adapter kits, but I need to read up more on it. Honestly, that's what I need to do. Alright, so as you can see, it's pretty curb rashed. These aren't terrible, these two. Those ones in the front though are pretty bad. So I'm gonna hit this stuff with some sandpaper. I really wish these tires weren't on here, but oh well, gotta make it work. So I'm gonna get these sanded down enough, and then I can hit it with some primer, see how she looks, and we'll clean her up, put a full coat of primer on, and then spray some of this stuff on. But let's get her cleaned up, son. I mean, I don't really even understand how you curb a tire like this. These things ain't got no lips. Man, I ain't worried about these things being perfect, so. This car is going to be a 30-footer. She looks good from 30 feet away. So about 45 minutes later, it feels like, this bad girl finally dried up. So we're gonna do the finishing touches. Put this thing in. I mean, they don't look terrible. Looks alright. I'm gonna finish the other one up over here. Then we'll stick that one on. I'll go down to the car wash, get it washed, clean up the tires a little bit. We'll see how it looks. Alright guys, so we just got them on. I like the way they look. That tire needs to be cleaned up. It's very dirty. Get that tire black. It'll make the wheel pop a lot more. But I'm gonna go down to the car wash and see if I can clean up the tires real quick. But there she is. I didn't do the front ones because one of them has a huge dent in it and I need to go over it with some of that Moto metal stuff. I'm gonna try it out, see how it works. Well, here they are. I think they look good. After I cleaned up the tire with some purple power, scrubbed her down real good. But there it is. Those are my old ones. I'm gonna do the front ones because they got curb rash really bad. They need some more attention. It'll take more time to do that. But that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please like, comment, subscribe, follow your boy for more content to come. Peace.